Aloha and welcome to Pre-Owned Motor Cars. Here we have a 2022 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. It's a Rubicon 4xe. That means it's a plug-in hybrid. This 22 Rubicon only has 3,300 miles. It's practically brand new. The 4x4e Rubicon has all the interior equipment that you could desire. Navigation, Bluetooth, leather. You can see it has the nice blue stitching that matches some of the blue accents on the outside of the vehicle. The interior of this car rivals some luxury vehicles. And with all the luxurious interior features, you still have a Rubicon that has electric lockers front and rear, electronic sway bar disconnects. This will take you anywhere on the island that you want to go. Not only do you have 5-passenger seating capacity, you also have a large cargo area. And back on the interior, you do notice you have the large touchscreen that includes navigation. And again, the way the blue is incorporated on this Rubicon 4xe, it's really, really nice. Again, come check this thing out at Pre-Owned Motor Cars. We are on the corner of Kuakini and Kalani. We're open Monday through Friday, 8 to 6. Saturdays, we're here 9 to 5. Or give us a call, 808-334-1111. Mahalo.